Hello there, Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a sneak peek look at our upcoming May 2024 release. We have some really cute things in store for you. So let's take a look at some of our new stamp sets. First up, we have this 4x8 Hey Diddle Diddle stamp set and coordinating die set. This is adorable. The critters are so cute, and it's all the characters from the nursery rhyme. We have the cow jumping over the moon, the cat playing the fiddle, the laughing dog, the dish and the spoon, some sentiments, some stars, a cloud, music notes, and little laughing words for the dog. So it's really super cute the way the artist drew all these images. I love it. Here you can see all of the things stamped, colored, and die cut out. And I am also going to give you a little sneak peek of the card I'm making for our release day hop video. So that'll be on May 2nd along with the full release hitting the shop at Trinity Stamps. So in the stamp also there are stars you can stamp and stars you can die cut out. I love that. Okay, so here's the card I'll be making for our release day hop video. I think this set is just darling, so I for sure wanted to play with it right away. And there are plenty of other baby related things in this release, like some gnome stamps. So no one is cuter than you. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. The sleeping gnomes in this set are darling. There's also one that has a binky and one that's crawling. Plus we have a lot of cute sentiments. A new little one is coming gnome soon. I love that sentiment. There's also hearts in this set that you can stamp and hearts that you can die cut out with the coordinating dies. So that is really fun to have both options. And you have plenty of sentiments to go with these super cute gnomes. Let's take a look at all of them stamped, colored, and die cut out. We have a gift for baby. There's no one more adorable. Congratulations. Hello baby, with love on your baby shower. So very fun set. I think that if you love gnomes, that you're going to love these baby sets. So here I have used the two of the gnomes from the set on the Oh Happy Days stamp that has all those little mushrooms and a little tree stump, and I put the baby sitting on the tree stump and added a little bee, and the one crawling is there by the roots of the tree. So there is that. And next up we have another set called a Little Gnome Nappers. So this set, look at them. Oh my goodness. The gnomes with the mushrooms. I can't. It's so cute. Welcome, gnome, little one. Congratulations. Congratulations on your little miracle. There's a tiny ladybug, a teeny tiny mushroom, and some little Z's to indicate that they're sleeping. And of course, a coordinating die set. Look at these images all colored up. They're so fun to color. So many different color combinations you can do. I used another tree set, the thinking tree, to put as a background for my sleeping little gnome laying on top of the mushroom. I can't get enough of it. It's so adorable. So if you love baby things and you love Simply Sentimental, finally we have Simply Sentimental Baby, the stamp set and the coordinating die set, which is also a standalone die set, the thing we love so much about Simply Sentimental. There are 6 large words that all say baby and one tiny one that says baby, plus you have all the sub-sentiments in there to go with. Congratulations on your baby, blessings to you and your new baby, you'll always be my baby, a gift for baby. There's just tons of sentiments in here that you can build with the word baby. So here I wanted to show you on the left in the blue and pink, you can see the die cut words baby mounted on the shadow layer, and on the right you can see the stamped words stamped in black ink, die cut out with the coordinating dies. So you can add any of those sub-sentiments to go with the die cut or stamped words. Now we're going to take a look at some new standalone dies, and you'll see some of those Simply Sentimental sentiments in the samples. So look at this. We have our special delivery die set. This was designed for Trinity Stamps by our special designer, Linda Canase, who you might know from iCrafter. So this has an adorable stork with a bundle that you can put a baby in. I think it is so much fun and it die cuts out so cute. So we're going to take a look at the die cut pieces, but also you can refer to the back of your packaging to see how all the pieces go together. So we have our stork. There are layering pieces you can add to, so the stork has two wings, or you can layer it up to give it dimension. There's extra die cut pieces so you could change the tips of the wings and his feathers to be a different color or just go for a layered look. And there's also layering pieces so you can die cut out the beak and the legs from different colors of cardstock, giving it, you know, a more realistic feel. And he even has a little cap you can add to his head. And then we've got the pieces for baby. So baby can go right in this bundle just by putting it behind. And then there's the cap. And this other strange piece right here is the diaper. So you can use this if you want the baby to be somewhere else besides in the bundle. And so it gives it a finished off look and easy to, you know, make it a different color just by die cutting it out from a different color of cardstock. And the little hand is cut away so you can tuck the diaper under there as well. So there's all the pieces, and we're going to take a look now at this put together, and then we'll see what it looks like on a card. So I added just a touch of pink on the cheeks and on those hearts that the die presses into the cardstock. So here it is on a card with the Simply Sentimental baby in the die set and the stamp set, and it says congratulations on your baby. And then I used a background stamp there to create my background. That's the double checked line background stamp. I stamped it once in pink, shifted it, and stamped it again in yellow. All right, next we have a new die set that is a baby bottle shaker die, which I love shakers, so this I think is so much fun. It's great for a card and makes great tags also. So we'll take a look at that after we see all the die cut pieces and kind of what they look like as you die cut them out so you know what is what. So there's two baby bottle shapes. One will make the frame and one will make the solid piece, which can be the backing. And then you've got two pieces that layer up to make the cap, and then you have the nipple of the baby bottle. So there it is all put together. This is one of those shakers where you want to die cut out the frame multiple times and stack it up to create your shaker. It's kind of thin for foam tape, but there are some thin foam tapes, and Trinity Stamps does have that as well. All right, so here you can see it on a card with the Simply Sentimental baby. That stencil in the background is called Heart Burst. I tried to keep it really soft looking, like a fuzzy little baby blanket. And there's the bottle, not made as a shaker, but as a tag. And I used our Tiny Tags die set for that little piece hooked on the back so I could run the string through it. So these two can go together on a gift very easily. Okay, next we have another Linda Canase designed die set. This one is so fun. This is Ribbon Rosette. This is a completely standalone die set, but we happen to have two add-ons for it that make it even more fun. So you've got Happy Birthday, Best Friend, and Congrats, and then all the pieces to make a ribbon rosette. And it can look like a little award. It can really go on a lot of different things. So I think you're going to have fun with this. So here's the main die. You're going to want to die cut that out 3 times. And then this circle piece I use to put it together. So I have 2 circles die cut with rip and stick sheets on the back. And you can see I have rip and stick tape on the tabs of all 3 of those pieces, which I hooked together to create a giant letter C. That's what we need, is 3 pieces hooked together end to end. Then one of those pieces I took the backing off and added glue to get it ready. Then I will pick up this giant C and start folding it accordion style, or like a fan. Did you ever make those paper fans when you were in elementary school, where you fold forward and fold back, creating peaks and valleys? So you're going to do that along the whole entire length of this, and just folding on those score lines. It's pretty easy to do. Then when you get to the end, you're going to take that adhesive strip off the last tab. I do like to add a little liquid glue there so I make sure it holds in place really well, and you'll have a full circle with all the pieces folded on the scored line, and you'll have to fold that last piece too. Next, you're going to start gathering this all up so all the pieces create this kind of accordion folded circle. And then when you have that, hold it with one hand and then grab your adhesive circle with the other that's all ready to go and press and hold that in place until it's stuck down really well. And once you're sure that it's stuck down, flip it over and add the second adhesive circle onto the back. You know, trying to get it near center, but we're going to put some other decorative things there, so it's not a huge deal. Here's all the other die cut pieces from the set, pieces that are going to go in the center. You can see you can die cut out the sentiment with that same circle die we used to put the ribbon rosette together, and you can layer those up onto this other decorative circle that has that zigzag type edge, and then add the long banner type pieces at the bottom. So there's all three. Happy birthday, congrats, and best friend put together with different colors, different kinds of paper. These are really fun to play with. So remember those add-ons? Yeah, here's the first one, the Ribbon Rosette Baby add-on. So this is going to give you more sentiments for the center plus some decorative pieces. And this one, of course, is baby themed. So we have Mommy to Be, Big Brother, and Big Sister. I think these would be so fun to use for a baby shower, or they could even be cupcake toppers. I thought that would be fun. You could have one for the mommy, the brother, the sister. You could have some with the little baby clothes on them, the baby feet, and put them all in the center of the ribbon rosette in your baby shower colors. It'd be so cute. So here's all the die cut pieces. You can see what they look like. You can put the two pieces together to create a little accent on that baby type dress. And then we have the die cuts out for Mommy to Be, Big Brother, and Big Sister, which have fallout pieces like a little star and a little heart that you could paper piece together, which reminds me, you should always keep those fallout letters because you can use those and make another centerpiece that is paper pieced, and you can arrange the letters however you want. I also think it's really fun to put these together with some patterned paper. That looks really cool. So here you can see how I used those fallout letters and made a second centerpiece I can use on another ribbon. And you could leave the tails off to make like little pins, or the cupcake toppers, put these on a card. They're so much fun to make. We have one more add-on for it, and that is the Ribbon Rosette Mom die set. So we've got another sentiment that goes right in the center of that circle called Mom Boss, or it says Mom Boss. We have a banner. We have the letters where you can die cut them out to spell out the word mom or wow. There's a number 1, and there's a butterfly as well. Very pretty. So let's take a look at those die cut pieces. You can see when you die cut out the word mom, you've got the letters plus a frame for that, a little edge you can add in a different color. The butterfly is 2 different pieces, so you can play with the colors on that. You've got your hashtag number 1, Mom Boss, and then our banner, you can put the word best or the word grand in there. And you could also cover up the word mom and do boss, like best boss. So that's really fun. So here is my banner done with some patterned paper, some gold mirror paper, cardstock, and I've added that butterfly. I think it's so cool. This would also be great on like a gift bag or a gift box. Very fun. I love this die set and all the different add-ons. I think it's really fun. So let's take a look at the entire selection of samples that I shared with you today and let you know that we have another day of sneak peeks coming out for you tomorrow. We're going to share the rest of the collection, and then on Thursday, May 2nd, this release will hit the shop, and I'm going to share a video that day with everything in it, plus examples from our design team. So you're going to want to make sure you watch that video, plus it's the day of our hop on YouTube and Instagram. We've got giveaways, and we cannot wait to hear what you think of this release. So let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with Sneak Peek Day 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.